Hello and welcome back to Learn with Lou. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install custom fonts on your Mac. So first thing you want to do is find yourself a custom font you want to install. So I'm going to use this one, Beautiful People. It looks fabulous. So let's go and install this. So first thing you need to do is download your font as it'll save it as a zip file. So I'll just save that in Documents. And then once it's saved, you want to open up the zip file, obviously, and expand it. And then work out where it's gone. Always a problem I seem to have. Beautiful People font, that's the one we're looking for. Okay, so once you've got it, you want to open it up and you're looking for the .ttf file, and you want to click on that. And when you click on that, it should open up like this. So it's showing you what you've got, the regular font. And then all you have to do to install it is literally just press Install Font, and it'll install it. As you can see, these are all the fonts I've previously installed, and there it is, installed, ready to use on the go. Just to prove it works, we'll open up Final Cut Pro to show you. So now I'm going to show you that it's worked, all installed. So I've got Final Cut Pro open and we've just installed the font Beautiful People. So I've got a basic 3D thing, and we're looking for Beautiful People. There it is. And now my basic 3D, when I scrub along the timeline, is there. There you go, installed. Can't do the letter 3 because the font I installed doesn't have it, but basic is there, so it works. That's how you install a custom font. Thanks for watching. If this video was any helpful at all, make sure you smash that like button and share on social media. Tell me in the comments section below what tutorials you need. I will be coming out soon with some Final Cut Pro tutorials, some Affinity Designer tutorials, some Logic Pro X tutorials. So if you want any other software done or any other things needed help with, make sure you put it in the comment section below and I'll try and sort that for you as soon as possible. If you are new to the channel, wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button. That'd be awesome, as we're trying to hit any subscriber goal because this is the first video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.